LG's Self-Clean Cycle gives you the ability to thoroughly clean your oven cavity, keeping your oven looking shiny and new. For heavy built-up soils, especially in those hard-to-reach areas, or for a thorough cleaning every 6 months, Self-Clean uses high temperatures during a 3 to 5 hour cycle to burn the soils to ashes. In this video, we will show you how to properly use the Self-Clean cycle. Before running Self-Clean, there are a few important things to remember. Remove all racks, cooking utensils, and food from the oven cavity. For dual ovens, remove items from both the upper and lower oven cavity. Do not line the oven walls, racks, bottom, or any other part of the range with aluminum foil or any other material. Doing so will destroy heat distribution, produce poor baking results, and cause permanent damage to the oven interior. The oven cavity should be completely empty. Prior to using the Self-Clean cycle, do not use oven cleaners to clean your oven. This may damage the inside of your oven when Self-Clean is used. Also, do not clean the door gasket. Care should be taken not to rub, damage, or move the gasket to ensure a good seal. Finally, your kitchen area should be well ventilated to minimize odors. Turn on your cooktop fan or open up windows for better airflow. Remove pets and children to another well-ventilated area during Self-Clean. During Self-Clean, electric cooktops will be inoperable and will show HS on the cooktop display as an indicator that the surface may be hot. It is also recommended that you do not use your gas cooktop during Self-Clean. To set Self-Clean, start by pressing the Self-Clean key. If you have a dual oven, press the upper or lower Self-Clean key. Keep in mind that the upper and lower Self-Clean cannot be operated simultaneously and that during the cycle you will not be able to operate the oven even though it is not in use. Press the Self-Clean key to toggle between 2, 3, or 4 hours. The default setting for Self-Clean is 3 hours. For lighter soils, use the 2-hour cycle, and for heavier soils, use the 4-hour cycle. Next, press the Start key. The oven door will automatically lock and you will not be able to open the oven door until the cycle is over and the oven is completely cooled down. During the Self-Clean cycle, you may experience the following. The oven and surrounding areas may become hot. Please avoid touching these areas. You may hear sounds of metal expanding and contracting within the oven. You may also see smoke coming from the oven and smell an odor. All of these things are normal and may occur during the Self-Clean cycle. Do not try to open the oven door during Self-Clean. The indicator light will stay lit until your oven is completely cool and the door is unlocked, at which point the indicator light will turn off. After the Self-Clean cycle, you may notice some white ash in the oven. Make sure that the oven is completely cooled down and wipe the ash with a damp cloth. If the oven is not clean after one cycle, you may repeat the Self-Clean process. If the racks were left in the oven through a Self-Clean cycle, you may notice a slight discoloration of the racks. However, this will not affect the performance of the rack.